Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about unboxing this floor beauty lamp that I bought for my second pedicure chair, and this is the second one that I buy. I have the same exact lamp for my first pedicure chair, but the only thing that's different is that this one came with black cable, and I actually didn't realize that until I received it and I started putting it together. And also this one came with a gift tray. You will be able to see that towards the end of the video, but I wanted to show you guys how I set it up. It's relatively easy to set this up. It was very fast to set up, and as you guys can see here, it had some loose screws. All I had to do was just tighten it up and it was good to go. You guys will be able to see that it came with a little tool to make it tighter, all the screws, if in case I needed it, and actually it worked fantastically. Here's a screenshot of the product specs and the name and everything that you would need to know about this lamp in case if you're interested and would like to buy it. This particular seller sells these lamps in 3 different colors. They come in black, white, and pink. These lamps are pretty comfortable to use, and it's very easy to maneuver each section there, as you guys can see. If I want it lower, if I want it higher. This is why I wanted to buy a specific floor lamp that allows me to get closer to the toes as I am working on them, or when I work on the heels, I'm able to go ahead and pop up the head of the lamp and make it higher. So it's pretty easy and comfortable to use so far. There is only one thing that I would have to say to be extra careful. These lamps come with a phone holder and you can use it. I didn't add it on this one because I do have it on the other one, the main one that I use, but you can use it to record content pretty much. But I have used it plenty of times, and I feel like because of the weight of the phone, I have an iPhone 16 and it's a pretty heavy phone. So what happened was that it ended up getting too loose, and the first one that I bought, it was not working properly on that hinge, on the middle hinge right there. So I just had to reattach it, and finally I just let it be because it didn't go all the way through like when you bought it. When I first bought it, it was able to hinge properly, but I mean, it is working. It's in working condition. I contacted the seller. Ultimately, I'm very happy with it. That's just the only thing that I would have to complain about. The seller hasn't contacted me back, but at this point, it is what it is. I'm still happy with it. It is still functional. I just have to be really extra careful when I film content and have my phone up on that little phone holder. So if you guys are planning on using it for that, just be extra careful, or I would suggest to purchase something else where you can hold your phone, like a tripod or something else. And this is how it ended up looking with the special tray that it came with. I'm not gonna lie, it bothered me that I didn't notice that it came with a black cable rather than the white, just like you can see on my other one. I just wanted everything white, so I ended up just ordering another set of trays. I ordered 2 separate ones from another seller, and I ended up removing this black one and just adding the white ones so it could be a little more cohesive. Another setback that I found on this particular lamp is that the cable is not that long. Compared to the other one, the cable is very long and it's comfortable to just pull out and work with it. But the other one, I'm gonna just have to buy an extension cord, and I don't really need any more cables. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys how it lights up, and the illumination of this lamp is phenomenal. I love it so much. I ended up paying $79.16 and I bought it from AliExpress, and this is the final results, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.